Want to see what a scat owner does with the Jeep? Let's get it.
Look at my eyes, tell me your tale. Do you see the road? I'm out to my soul. Tell me the size whenever the smoke.
Yo! Nigga, stop! What are we doing today, big dog?
Fucking foggy as shit.
Y'all know what going on. We gotta take the doors off and they about to go drift in the Jeep. What do y'all see the doors coming off? Coming off.
Damn, this one. Does this one have screws in it?
Oh, man, they can't open the door, bro. You can't take the door off.
This one has screws in it, bro.
Oh, y'all didn't take the
Y'all
y'all took the I see my dog locked in.
Bro, it's cold as a motherfucker. Go.
Well, now, nigga, bro, take that shit, bro.
Come on. You're about to see the deadlift shakes. God. I think that it might be rusted, bro.
Put some WD-40 on that shit.
Put some DW40. God. There's no more screws in it, bro.
Look at him, he about thug shape.
I just don't want to drop it if I...
Technical difficulties.
Like, what the fuck? I think it might be frozen on there.
Because, bro, you gotta move the screws up.
I already took it out. They're not even in it, you bought.
Oh, I'm a big Riyadh, bro. I'm a big Riyadh.
This is the blind leading the blind. God. I don't know what to tell you.
You want me to try, big dog?
It's cold as shit, yeah. Let me get that. Damn, bro. All right, lift it. Look at him.
Who gonna carry the bro? I guess we're gonna be riding with two doors.
Pick it up, bro.
Yeah.
You deadlift 800 pounds, bench press 780. Look at that.
Pussy nigga! Follow to I did that shit, nigga! Fuck out of here, bro! Grown ass nigga, bro!
Put it down. Put it down quiet.
Oh, shit, my finger.
All right, let's get it. I'm doing the next one, bro.
Watch that heater on.
On the dead homies, bro. On the dead homies.
Okay.
Don't, yo.
Don't get that in it.
Don't get at it.
I'm slumming out Target, bro.
Like the time you stole all those candy bars?
Yeah. This guy's federal, bro. Fed.
My dog stole chocolate and condoms, bro. What were you doing?
Yo, condoms was wicked, bro.
What were you doing with
I am a child of God, bro.
What were you doing with condoms and chocolate?
I am a child of God. I keep God first, everything second. Keep God in your life.
Amazon.com.
I need to tap in on some gloves. I just want to be. Yo, that's how waste, man.
Alright.
Alright, let's see. Let's see, big dog. Grown out there.
Look at this shit.
You gotta get from the bottom, pussy boy.
You think so?
Yeah, that's how I got it, bro. Yeah.
I'm about to pick up the car, bro.
Yes.
God.
I literally gave you the blueprint, bro.
Alright. I'm a man, I can tell you when I can't lift it, I can't lift it.
sis. Always stretch. I'm about to put y'all on game, bro. Before you guys do anything when it comes to lifting, running, any of that, just stretch a little bit. Loosen your legs. Please move with your legs, not your back.
Lift, come on.
Hold on.
You gotta be more gentle with it, bro.
Hold up. Always switch directions. You feel me?
Damn, the car moving, big dog.
Hold on. Yeah, we ain't gotta do it.
Are we going 3 doors? Type.
Woo!
Type. Type.
Who gonna carry the boat? Who gonna carry the boat? Who gonna carry the boat? Tell the family what we're doing here. Tell them what we're doing, big dog. Don't be no gatekeeper.
Gotta take off.
This guy acts like his father owns Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Lee, bro. Nigga, tell him the secret, bro.
Wait till you hear that line. Ask him. Drop in the comments, should we Hellcat swap the Jeep?
Should we strike a Jeep, bro? We just strike this Jeep. We're selling this Jeep for $5,000. Every black friend is that tall white friend. Segregation. Segregation on 3. 1, 2, 3. Segregation.
Now the question is, do we really want to take the top off?
You're in too deep, bro. Drop the top. Drop the top. Look at the glass is fogging up and shit. Oh, glass. Now my man's about to take it back.
Honestly, if I'm being completely honest, I do not remember how to take the back off.
Yeah, this guy's a waste. This guy's just breathing, bro. Just breathing just to breathe, bro.
I actually can't see with the glasses on, which is ironic because I can't see with those on. You know what? I just realized this is the wrong size bolt, cuz. Could you go get me a smaller one?
Wrong one. Wrong one.
Oh.
Huh?
We gotta unplug this bullshit too.
That's calm. I got you.
Put on the seat warmer so that shit melts the snow. I know where all the screws are.
Yes, sir.
Now this one gotta come out.
The whole thing?
No, this one. Do you not see this
Oh.
one?
We gotta hardly work ugly ass. You said pinch these? The middle?
You're not gonna be able to pinch them enough, I don't think.
Come on, bro. Know who the fuck I am, bro?
No grip strength.
Ugly ass, bro. You guys be yapping on my name, bro.
Now we know who beats it too much.
Nah. Nah, you ain't gotta say all that. Hey, everybody in the chat, this is Chris who gave Sophia Rain $5 million. This is Chris, everybody.
Who's Chris?
There's somebody that actually gave Sophia Rain $5 million, bro. His name is Chris. She posted it on her shit. Imagine giving $5 million, bro, to a biddy. Like you ain't even married to, bro.
That's a woman, bro, not a biddy.
That
Have
biddy,
some respect.
Fuck, bro. King Dave, shorty. Oh, does this whole thing come off?
Yeah.
Damn.
Time.
Now show us your fucking deadlift strength, bro. Power. Oh, yeah, put the seat warmers on, bitch ass nigga.
See, why do you gotta talk to me like that?
Maybe I should straight bitch ass nigga.
We should have done this in the garage.
No, God, bro. No.
Like, why are we just letting it get wet for no reason?
No, God, bro.
This is OD, bro. all this work for you.
Y'all-
Spam the like button, bro.
Y'all better like, subscribe, and comment, bro.
No cap, because I'm going through hell right now.
I'm freezing.
It's cold as shit.
You see my hands, chat? You see my hands? Oh, glad. Fire.
Oh my
Whoa.
god, I knew it.
Huh?
I may have lost the bit for this one, so we can't take the screws out.
This guy's a big retard, bro. Yeah, this guy's.
So we can't take the screws out. Go get me my toolkit in the house. Let me get this shit.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Put me on. Put me on.
I don't know.
Fuck
It's
you,
inside.
I
Tight. It's the yellow one inside.
Is that upstairs, downstairs?
Downstairs. Look at this chat. Look at this. One-handed. One-handed, bro. Oh. Is it a different size screw? Is it? Tight. I knew I put this shit on wrong. I should have worked that Jeep, bro. Phil Dodge.
Y'all work at Jeep, hire him. MC Scat. The coolest cat on the block.
Coolest cat, but I'm a dog.
He's an influencer, not a dog.
My hands are cold, but I got gloves on, bro. Make that make sense. If the cops see this, bro.
And the cops see this, I'm doing 100 seasons. In my white all four sun up Yeezys. Yeezys. I'll fuck you.
Where's my dog Juicy J at? Juicy J, if you're watching this, we need some Henny.
Who's we? I'm gonna tell him, God damn it. I'm the Okay,
Alright, there's no way I can pick this up alone.
the last step, bro.
Alright, I'll get on this one.
Alright, you get it from the back, get it from the front. Pause. Wait.
Why is this so heavy as hell, bro?
Alright, dude, just keep moving back. Keep going. Keep going. All that nigga, bro. Keep going. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. Woo!
What do we hit?
I don't even know, bro. Yo, what are you doing, bro?
Alright, drop it slow. Slow. Grown up.
Oh, no. Ah! I got,
Look at that. Where's traction control? Off.
Yeah. Oh shit, the bag's in the back. Yeah, put it down. Put it down here. Hold on, look. Sound like a Wellington boot. Woo. Yo, this guy is a demon. Woo! You know the vibes. You know what the fuck going on. We got the hill. Say hi, FedEx. Woo! Y'all see them tires? Yo, but God damn. God damn. It's fucking bad. It's fucking bad.
I need traction.
Put some traction on this shit, bro. I go here driving like it's for the Ozzy streets, bro.
Bug flew in my mouth, bro. everybody's probably looking like, what the fuck are these people? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it,
sweetheart.
sweetheart. It's that splat.
That's that splat. Now imagine some Christmas lights on this.
I'm telling you, bro. Nah, bro, that shit's on your necklace. I'm about to make a TikTok, bro. Make some motivational shit.
Just remember one thing, bro.
Talk to me.
Life gets you down.
Oh.
Stay down, cause that shit has good.
Good.
Everybody's probably like, what the fuck?
Every step you take, got nothing to do with baseball. It's so casually. Hey, move out the way, bro. Don't hit us.
Hot dogs.
Only the gang survive the family first. Oh, I really thought y'all was bold.
Brick, bro.
Okay.
We need a Hellcat engine. This need that.
Oil change.
Kicking. Oil change required.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Y'all see it? Check. I'm gonna do it.
Dive.
I'm gonna do it. Traction control. Y'all know y'all see that. Shit just got serious. Y'all know what BIRD stands for? Tell them. Tell them what BIRD stands for.
Birds of a feather flock together.
Like the gang survived. By the way, bro. Shit.
You should put the scat engine in this, bro.
Whipple. Don't get too comfortable, sweetheart. Down right here.
Yo, someone already did donuts in that. That's so messed up. In a church. What type of low life?
They said.
What type of low life?
Yeah. Yeah.
No track. It is so fucking cold. If I see police lights, bro, we is running. We'll run, bro. Imagine we'll run plates on a Jeep.
Yeah. Good God, bro.
Fucking cold, bro. The heat not doing justice.
The heat not heating, bro.
Heat is not heating, bro. Like, this shit can't go any higher, bro. I'm not even feeling it, bro. It's my legs. My legs.
My hands are the
I don't
cold.
even have a thigh. Oh my god, no gloves. You want these? We can take shifts. Taking shifts with gloves is down bad. Excuse me, sir. How do you own a Jeep Wrangler and a Scat Pack, but you share gloves with your husband?
Yeah, we gotta go to the gas station, bro.
Oh, we're not on E, bitch. I thought we were, bro.
If you gave me a chance, I will take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Long as you can take. Get us 100 likes.
And we'll have Juicy J in the back with Hen Dog.
If y'all know, y'all know.
Yeah.
Y'all do not know.
J Boogie, bro.
Nah, bro, I shouldn't.
This is brick.
Yo, why come brake checking us, bro? It's kinda no. We got the strap in the back. Oh, Stop being a bitch, bro.
No, it's
You're the fucking shiesty, bro. Grow the fuck up. Come on, bro. Yeah, y'all gonna see me record a YouTube video? It don't matter what you going through. Damn. What should I do the video about, bro? Put me on, twin.
What?
Put me on, twin. I'm trying to make
I can't even see shit,
I'm trying to
bro.
make a TikTok,
You got
bro.
a guy driving you in the snow, no doors on, with no glasses, bro. You was fucked up.
Fuck, bro. When it's cold, go hit the gym.
When it's hot, go hit the gym.
It don't matter what you're going through. It don't matter what you're going through. Just keep going through it. Cause you ain't getting out. Cause you ain't getting out.
That's so funny.
Oh shit! Yo!
Yeah, should we put a striker in the Jeep? Imagine,
Jeep is the striker.
Imagine a demon engine in there.
Yo, if we go on the fucking desert, I'm gonna cry laughing.
Honestly, the roads are terrible right here.
Y'all see this, bro?
There's a car coming, bro.
The whole gang coming now.
Is that another car coming?
Nah. Woo! Yo, stop, nigga, stop! Yo, stop! Yo, this guy's a big retard. Yo, my man has a big retard. Who doesn't like MC's?
Record up and down.
Yo! This guy, yo! Bro, this guy's a retard, bro.
Get in, cuz.
On dear homies.
On the day home.
Hold on, nigga, didn't put no seatbelt on, nigga.
Fuck your seatbelt. I don't even have one on. I sure. Look at this shit. Sliding and driving. This is some country bumpkin shit, bro. Listen. City boys don't do this shit, bro.
City boys. Shit. I know y'all see that. Oh! MC's cat. Yeah, keep going. Keep the wheel straight. Engine push up. Yeah. Yeah, you're good. Sheesh.
It's so much warmer in here, bro.
Hey shit. Back in the lab. Y'all see this, bro? We ain't come to play. We ain't come to play. Y'all see the aftermath of what happened and this madness. We're over here putting it back together. If y'all want to see more of this, like, comment, subscribe. How many likes do you want, MC?
1,000.
1,000 likes. If we get 1,000 likes, we will do more content like this. Again, you see us freezing, bro. We is freezing. We froze for you guys. We died for you guys. Remember that, bro. But it's all love, family. Like, comment, subscribe. We out of here. Because shit just got serious.
Told you.